Blasting through the toughest timber, Valfast is here to change how you split trees forever. This power spindle wedge has turned the once slow, backbreaking process of cleaving trees into something fast, efficient, and surprisingly fun to watch. It's crafted so cleverly that you can finally leave your old axe or sledgehammer at home. The design is mainly built for use with an impact wrench, but if needed, you can still operate it smoothly with a ratchet. This sturdy wedge can be set either remotely or manually onto a tree notch, and with one steady drive, it splits and topples the tree in a single motion. That's power and precision in one tool. It can lift up to 57,200 pounds, 25,000 kilograms, with a peak lift height of 3.2 inches, 8 centimeters. Impressive for something weighing only 13.3 pounds, 5.9 kilograms. That means one person can handle it comfortably without breaking a sweat. The Milwaukee Fan Special G34, inspired by the renowned American brand Milwaukee, a company founded back in 1924 and admired worldwide for its durable and reliable power tools. Now, Mills Glock Store, a custom firearm workshop known for its unique artistic builds, has crafted a Glock 34 9mm pistol themed entirely around the Milwaukee aesthetic. This special edition, called the Milwaukee Fan Special, stands out with its bold logos and signature red and black colors, celebrating the identity of the power tool brand rather than function. And to top it off, there was even a fun add-on accessory, a battery-operated, revolver-style screwdriver priced at just $20, featuring 6 interchangeable bits and powered by a 600 mAh battery. The Thingamajig scribing tool is one of those clever little inventions that instantly make your work easier and more precise. This marking instrument offers a smooth and accurate cutting mechanism for markings up to 2.5 millimeters or 1 inch. Its blade, crafted from anodized aluminum, is completely resistant to rust and built for long-term durability. You can easily fine-tune it using the measured adjustment rod, which lets you extend or shorten the marking length with just a quick twist. It works seamlessly on paint, stone, wood, and veneer. Plus, it helps reduce paint and wood peeling along the cut edges, giving your projects that clean, professional finish. The design also supports one-handed operation, so your other hand stays free to hold and stabilize your material, saving you from awkward working angles or uncomfortable body positions. But the standout feature of this precision tool is its ability to minimize chipping while scribing or cutting through timber, something every craftsman or DIY enthusiast will appreciate. The DeWalt hand truck isn't your typical handheld cart. It's a compact 12-inch dual-wheel platform purpose-built to make heavy lifting a whole lot easier. To simplify the process of moving large, flat construction materials like wide planks, panels, glass panes, and more, the dual-wheel clip-style design can hold multiple items at once, keeping everything secure and balanced throughout the move. Built with serious durability in mind, it's engineered to support up to 544 kilograms or 1,200 pounds. But what really sets it apart is the self-securing mechanism, which cleverly uses the weight of the materials themselves to lock everything in place. And as a thoughtful finishing touch, it features an anti-slip surface, ensuring your cargo stays steady even on uneven ground. The Milwaukee Wireless Dust Control Adapter and Remote Kit is a true game changer. As the name suggests, this wireless adapter lets you control power outlets remotely with ease. Just plug it in. You can turn large tools and heavy machinery on or off safely without needing to go near them. Even better, it syncs with adapters in just 3 seconds, offering a lightning-fast connection every time. Plus, it comes with a sleek LED indicator kit that's as practical as it is stylish, giving you instant feedback on your setup. With its adjustable strap and detachable belt, you can secure it however you like, keeping things comfortable and convenient while you work. What really makes it stand out is its ability to sync multiple remotes to a single adapter. The adjustable ratcheting socket tool is a true multitasker, a versatile, all-in-one ratchet and adjustable wrench, and even doubles as a clamp when needed. This clever design packs serious functionality into a single tool. Its dual-use wrench setup features 2 socket sizes placed back to back, with a pivoting head that locks securely at 30-degree increments, giving you stability and control in tight spots. The adjustable handle makes it easy to reach bolts tucked deep at the base of pipes, saving you both time and effort. Both socket sizes, 1.25 and 1 inch, or 3 and 2.54 centimeters, come with a 12-point design, giving them exceptional grip and holding power for construction and pipeline work. You can really feel the quality in its precision-cast steel sockets, built to handle even the toughest heavy-duty jobs. The concrete form board bracket batter boss is an absolute game-changer for solo builders. Designed for single-person use, it lets you position and adjust wooden molds, rebar, and stakes, whether they're wood or metal, with ease and precision. What really stands out is how this clever tool cuts down the number of materials you'd normally need on site. The innovative bracket design doesn't just simplify the process, it also reduces labor size and setup time. With its quick yet solid attachment mechanism, it connects directly to concrete form panels, making it perfect for smooth aluminum surfaces or brickwork that doesn't have rough edges. Each bracket includes a secure safety lock system, keeping the pins tightly in place. Meet the T1 Tomahawk tape. Measure by Recon Tools, a true game-changer that's transforming how professionals handle precision work. As the first ever professional-grade digital tape measure, it allows workers to record measurements faster and more accurately than ever before. With just one simple button press, your readings appear instantly on a clear e-paper display right on the side. The T1's design has been completely re-engineered for better ergonomics, making it comfortable to hold and easy to use, even during long hours on site. And thanks to its stainless steel belt clip, you can easily attach it to your belt or toolbox and keep it within reach wherever the job takes you. This smart measuring tool can capture distances of up to 50 feet, 15.25 meters, using its laser tape function, and up to 16 feet, 4.8 meters, with the traditional physical tape. If you've ever tried clearing out brush or small trees from your property, you already know how exhausting and frustrating it can be. But thanks to this clever invention, the brush grubber. This ingenious chain system takes on stubborn vegetation with ease. The brush grubber features a heavy-duty jaw that grips onto undergrowth, saplings, and even small stumps, pulling them out completely. Equipped with 4 to 6 foot long anti-slip grip links, that's about 1.2 to 1.8 meters, this compact yet powerful clump tugger can grab and remove clusters of small trees, brushes, or willows, up to 21 inches or 53 centimeters in circumference. Just hook the chain to your ATV or lawnmower, and you're ready to tackle unwanted vegetation right from the roots. In minutes, your yard can go from overgrown chaos to clean and open space, all without breaking a sweat. The Crockerline is a smart tool built to simplify and speed up the process of laying lines for roads or foundation work. It works by allowing easy and precise placement of wire across multiple devices. This clever gadget securely attaches to most metal bars and rods, instantly adding height and stability where you need it most. Its ribbed design keeps your measuring wires firmly in place, even during heavy-duty work. And when it comes to saving time, the Crockerline truly delivers. It can cut setup time by 10 minutes for every 164 feet or 40 meters of line placed, offering up to 50% greater efficiency. It also eliminates the need to use bricks as supports, meaning less strain and around 154 pounds or 70 kilograms of lifting work saved when placing 164 feet or 50 meters of line. The concealed hinge jig is your secret weapon for installing cabinet doors with hidden hinges that look clean and professional. This clever little tool acts as a steady anchor for 1.4-inch or 35.5 millimeters concealed hinges, helping you achieve flawless alignment every single time. Once it's secured in place, just position your drill hole right over the hinge mark, then clip in your everyday handheld drill and start drilling. No stress, no guesswork. Included in the set is a carbide-tipped drill bit that's engineered to hit the perfect depth every time, thanks to its built-in depth stop collar. It even features guided holes, making it super easy to drill hinge screw holes with precision. The hinge jig also offers offset options ranging from 2 to 24 inches or 3 to 6 millimeters, giving you full flexibility for any cabinet style or hinge type. So, if you've ever struggled with uneven cabinet doors or messy hinge placements, this tool is a real game changer. The Zircon Exit Point XL500 takes what used to be a boring, routine task, finding exit points, and turns it into something genuinely fun and gadget-driven. This smart piece of tech doesn't just help you locate exit points with ease, it also shows you exactly how deep they are within the material. Talk about a two-for-one deal. The Exit Point XL500 has an almost uncanny talent for scanning through non-metal surfaces. Think of it as your personal treasure detector, pinpointing the perfect spot for your next screw or nail. Whether you're a skilled handyman or just starting your DIY journey, this tool is an absolute must-have. Meet the Hilti JBOT drill. The JBOT is the latest tool designed for marking and drilling holes. This partially automated construction bot was built specifically for demanding jobs in mechanics, electricity, plumbing, and interior finish setups. Powered by a completely wireless system, the JBOT can operate continuously for up to 8 hours on a single charge. It even comes equipped with an internal dust extraction feature, keeping the workspace clean while it works. This progressive construction bot takes charge of installation procedures while providing real-time updates on project progress and overall status, thanks to advanced data analytics. The JBOT stands out as the fastest in its category when compared to similar tools. And beyond speed, it's also about safety and comfort. It eliminates the need for workers to drill overhead, allowing them to stay focused on controlling the construction bot instead of straining themselves. Introducing the Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner, DWD-181, a smart and reliable device built to make your work smoother and faster. This wall-detecting gadget is highly skilled at swiftly identifying objects hidden inside different foundational materials. It's impressively accurate, capable of spotting a variety of concealed objects, whether it's metal, wood, plastic, or electrical wires, buried as deep as 18 centimeters or 7 inches beneath the surface. On a single charge, the Makita Wall Scanner delivers up to 28 hours of continuous use. Its large 100mm or 3.9-inch display clearly showcases hidden objects, while an integrated laser guide helps maintain precise, straight movements as you scan. Built tough for real job site conditions, it's resistant to dust and water, giving it remarkable durability that professionals can depend on. And that's a wrap on today's countdown of insane tools pushing the boundaries of imagination and technology. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping content.